Wäre hier jemand zu blöd, obwohl wir sind hier nicht. Ich wollte gerade sagen.
We'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
Yes, have you seen him?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help you.
It's Nemo!
We are looking.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like balloons.
Jellyfish!
Right.
Do something!
Hey, stop the dogs. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Like I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener.
Stop fooling around!
Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce.
Just put your foots out and go with the flow!
Totally! When everybody's looking for you.
When your dad had to find him, like, whoa. And then he was like,
Ja, hier funktioniert die Projektion gerade nicht irgendwie, ne?
Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Achtung an Hai!
So much to discover.
I've never seen before.
Did you know yesterday 18 was
Der Ride konnte ein bisschen mehr echte Kulisse vertragen, aber trotzdem geil. Nicht Kulisse, sondern echte Animatronics. Ja, aber es ist halt der gemütlichste.